Hi, I'm Travis Lyons, farrier and horse trainer. Curicyn wound care clay has many different uses. It combines bentonite clay with other special formulated ingredients to form an easy-to-apply paste. Saddle and cinch sores are common in horses. They are usually caused by improper fit of a saddle or when the horse has been overworked. Apply a protective layer of clay on the affected area a few times a day will help protect and expedite the healing process. Curicyn wound care clay is also effective in helping eliminate ringworm in horses, cattle, sheep, and other animals. Ear infections are yet another practical application. Placing a dab of clay on the inside of the ear can aid in drawing out the moisture and help clear up the infection. Whether you're a horse professional or a trail riding enthusiast, Curicyn wound care clay is a staple to have in your barn and trailer. Curicyn is effective and affordable. To find a retailer or vet near you, go online to curicyn.com or call 1-800-467-0547. I'm Travis Lyons, and we'll see you next time for another Curicyn horse care tip.